trailer go on the truck? You gonna show Wyatt how to drive the truck again? Okay, get his hand and put his hand on the truck. Show him how to do it. Uh-oh. Open, this one's open. There you go.
That's in the background. Zane or lifting the boat. There you go. You're doing it, Wyatt.
Hey, where's your truck?
Good job.
Yeah.
Yep, that's your truck. He's doing it. Good job, baby.
You took off your trailer.
Uh-oh. You have to fix it, big brother.
Good job.
You really hear that turbo in that thing.
Yeah.
Right here.
That's terribly hard on tires and
Handle. There
motors.
you go. Good job, Zane. Right there. Boom.
You ready? This clock. You ready this clock? And this no clock.
Wyatt, where's your truck? Did you want one, Wyatt?
That's secondhand smoke.
I'm doing this. Wait, this clock, Mama. No.
Uh-oh. Hey, Wyatt. Hey, Zane. Can you say hi? Can you say cheese? Oh.
Don't squeeze. Good job.
That's good hugs. Very good. Okay. Hey, Zane. Can you say hi to Bob and Kathy? Say hi, Bob. Hi, Kathy.
Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy.
Good job.
Good job.